Now students, we will start cellular respiration. Okay, what do you mean by cellular respiration? It takes place in cell. Cellular respiration takes place in cell, and it is a process in which the food molecules are oxidized. Food molecules are oxidized just like glucose into carbon dioxide and water, and energy is released in form of ATP. So let me write cellular respiration is the process of oxidizing food molecules like glucose to CO2 and H2O. And where it takes place? Obviously it takes place in cell. Here we are not talking about respiration in animals like breathing, which involves taking of oxygen and giving out. That's another topic we'll study. Okay. The energy released is what? Is trapped in form of ATP. Okay, and it is of two types. There are two processes. Aerobic respiration and anaerobic respiration. Aerobic in the presence of oxygen and ये नहीं होता oxygen, which takes place in absence of oxygen. Okay, now what is the process? Suppose we have taken glucose, obviously glucose, and it will undergo a process, glycolysis. Glyco word related to glucose, and lysis means to break. Okay, where it takes place, glycolysis takes place in cytoplasm. We'll study all 10 steps. In glycolysis there are overall 10 steps we will study in detail, and it is anaerobic. What will it form? It will form a 2-pyruvic acid. Actually this is a glycolysis process, you can see. Glycolysis is 6, this is all step we will study. It is a 6 carbon compound and it is 3 carbon compound. Pyruvic acid 3 carbon compound. Pyruvic acid. Pyruvic acid, I have told you 3 carbon, and glucose 6 carbon. To 2 3s are 6. Balance. Okay. Now, suppose this process takes place at yeast. When it takes place in yeast, and suppose if it is taking place in muscle cells. When it takes place in yeast, what it will form? The pyruvic acid will break into ethanol. And it will also give out CO2. It's a 3 carbon compound, pyruvic acid. तो यहाँ हम लोग को 2 मिल गया, 2 carbon, and 1 in the form of CO2. And muscle cells, when it takes place, it will give 2 molecules of lactic acid. and 2 ATP are released. And it is known as fermentation. This process is known as fermentation. This is a fermentation process. Okay, so glycolysis undergo glycolysis where takes place cytoplasm anaerobic process and will form 2-pyruvic acid. When pyruvic acid takes place in yeast, will form ethanol and carbon dioxide. In muscle cells will form 2-lactic acid, and overall 2 ATP is released. Now come to aerobic. So glycolysis is an anaerobic process. Aerobic in the oxygen. Now what are the various stages? First stage in cellular respiration is glycolysis. It is the first process of cellular respiration. Okay, it is anaerobic. Then it is Krebs cycle, then electron transport chain, it is aerobic process, and then first, second, third, fourth is oxidative phosphorization. Krebs cycle takes place in mitochondria. This will also study in detail whole cycle. And ETC takes place in inner membrane of mitochondria. And oxidative phosphorization takes place in F0, F1 particles. Fermentation is basically, it is a metabolic process. This is the first process, whether aerobic or anaerobic. Okay, now come to next topic, that is respiratory quotient. Respiratory quotient. What is respiratory quotient? Respiratory quotient is volume of CO2 released, कितना CO2 released, to the volume of oxygen absorbed during respiration. It is कितना CO2 release हो रहा है and कितना we are to the volume of oxygen absorbed. So this is known as respiratory quotient, or you can say respiratory ratio. It is also known as respiratory ratio. Okay, now come in this we will study about carbohydrate का कितना होता है, fat protein का कितना होता है, organic acid का कितना होता है. So first we take example of carbohydrate. C6H12O6 in the presence of oxygen What it will give? It will give 6 molecules of carbon dioxide plus 6 molecules of water plus energy. Go through the formula. CO2 6 and 6 O2, it will be 1. So RQ of carbohydrate is 1. So carbohydrate RQ is 1. Note this. It can, in exam, it can also ask the question, suppose you have eaten potato and rice. So what is the RQ of that substance which you have eaten? And we know that carbohydrate, and we know that rice and potato is carbohydrate. So the RQ is, the answer what we will write, the RQ is 1. Okay. Now come to next now suppose we will write of fat and protein. It's H2O. Right here fat and protein. So we know the formula. The answer is, it means the RQ is less than 1. So fat and protein RQ is less than 1. Remember this. Now come to organic acids. So 4 CO2 upon oxygen is equal to 4. It is more than 1. Remember this कि organic acid का carbohydrate 1, fat and protein less than 1, organic acid more than 1. Now come in case of anaerobic. Oxygen नहीं है because it's anaerobic. It will give alcohol. Obviously we know this formula. So as according to formula, what it will be? Infinite. So anaerobic के केस में क्या है? Infinite. नेक्स्ट इन केस किसका ले लूँ? सक्लेंट प्लांट. Four, 5, 6. And water will give this is no. CO2 is what here? 0. Okay, and oxygen 3. So it is 0 in case of succulent plant. So this is all about the RQ and cell respiration introduction.